That looks even better. Okay, we're back. So basically we just got some, I picked up some Modern Horizon draft boosters, set boosters, Modern Horizon 2, draft and set boosters, and a little bit of Infinity. Figured we'd try that out. And this, like I said, this is my first video, so we're gonna make it pretty short because it will have to be able to fit on a couple different platforms. And of course I got my gloves here in case we pull something amazing, but you know how that goes. So we got commons. Let's not waste too much time on commons. That's a pretty cool common, I like that. But it's still common. Okay. Uncommons, Robbed Ruin, Fey Offering, Arcbound Whelp, Goblin Bombardment as our rare, and a can't pronounce it, but a mythic.
I tried to pronounce Pokemon card yesterday and that didn't work out too well.
Oh. Hey, watch out, baby. And let's go through and look. I'm just actually putting those to the side. Maybe I might want to use them as a deck and a deck. And Prophetic Titan.
Here, hold that one. Well, that's fine. I can do one.
Terramorph, Spreading Insurrection. Azuran Orb. Harmonic Prodigy. And a foil Underworld Hermit.
Let me see there.
Matter of fact, we're going to separate our rares and our mythics. I haven't got a chance to look up some of these cards, so I'm thinking, I don't think that one's, it might be up there. I believe Fury and everything else is in this set, so it could be up there. And commons. Not that I don't like commons, but nobody really watches videos for commons. Sterling Grove and Dress Down. Oh, let's pull a rare land, or that would be great. Strike It Rich, Arcbound Shikari, a camel. Wow. Chance Encounter and Verdant Command. And Phyrexian, actually that Phyrexian token is pretty cool, just because the Brothers War is going to come out, and it's all culminating into, well, I'll give my opinion later on that. Tide Shaper. And it's the old border. It's nice. Seal of Cleansing and Grief. And Grief may be another decent card if I'm not mistaken.
All right.